Welcome to Campbell Explorers. Thanks for tagging along today. Today we're going to start at Sycamore Landing. We're going to pick up where we left off from the Riley's Log video. From Sycamore Landing, it's about 3.7 miles to Edwards Ferry. I'm really looking forward to this walk because I've actually never done this leg of the towpath. I think the main two reasons people go there is to kayak or cycle the towpath. And there's also some sunflower fields nearby, so some people will park there and check those out. Get started. Parking lot is small, but it's never busy. Here's one of those sunflower fields I was talking about. This is usually the point in the video when I talk about the restrooms. There aren't any here. If you've seen my Riley's Lock video, you know there is a campsite a mile the wrong direction. I'm very impressed. So you can try that if you want, but it will add 2 miles to the hike. Now this little area, I believe, is where kayakers put in. All right, let's hop to it. Such a nice day today. I wasn't planning to shoot this video today, but when I saw what the weather was going to be, I just knew I had to be outside. We've walked about 0.6 miles, and there's two things. Number one, there is a generator going on over there. It is really loud. Number two, to the left, there is a path down to the river. Check that out. Okay, I think I know what's going on here. So that generator that you hear way back over there is pulling water from the Potomac, and that water is given to the sprinklers that are in the field over there. All right, enough of that. Let's keep going. Okay, our first mile marker, 28. So it's really chilly out right now, but I am generating heat. I am so warm right now. I'm not wearing anything under this, so on it stays. Maybe one day I'll offer premium content. Oh, I think I know what this is. Yeah. Okay, this is really cool. Now, we've seen one of these before in a previous video, but this one's in really good shape. Right now I'm standing in what was probably a creek right here. And the canal is right over there. So this was used to allow water to continue to come in the Potomac, and the canal ran over on top of it. This is in really good condition. I'm amazed how nice this looks. Mile marker 29. Found another culvert to check out. If I can get down there. We got mile marker 30, and it looks like a little trail. Let's go check it out. When I was coming down the trail, you probably heard the motorboat out on the Potomac. Edwards Ferry has a boat launch. We might see some of that when we get there. We'll definitely see it on my next video. If you do come down this way, two things. One, be very careful, it's very slippery, and I have no idea what it'll be like if it rains or there's a flooding. Second thing, don't forget how to get back. It's right here. It was not right there. Look for these trees. If you've been holding it this whole time, I have really good news for you. It's from the Riley's Lock video. I'm guessing that'll be the next one or the one after. There's a great little trail from the campsite that goes right down to the riverbank. It was clean, even smelled great. We are very close to Edwards Ferry. I can see people up ahead right there. There's a bridge and there's a trail. We gotta check that out. This is super interesting. I had no idea this was here. You've seen my Violet's Lock video when I talk about the inlet lock that was designed to let water into the canal or let boats from upriver into the canal. Hey everybody, for this next portion of the video, the wind got really bad and the audio was completely unusable. So I'm gonna try to re-say what I said in the video right here. Here I was expressing some confusion over why the lock is facing the direction that it's facing downriver versus upriver. Right here I was talking about the lock gates on each side, the gaps. We've seen those in other videos. And here I was just talking about why this lock existed. So Goose Creek is on the Virginia side. This lock was built to allow boats carrying grain from Virginia to access the canal. I would really like to know why the lock is facing this direction. It's completely opposite what we saw in Violet's Lock. If you have more info, put it in the comments. Thank you. Some smaller gates would have gone right here and right here. It's in really good condition. That is a testament to the engineers. All right, so heading back to the towpath, we're gonna check out that bridge again. And you can see it's also made out of red sandstone, like most of the stuff in this area related to the towpath. I'm approaching Edwards Ferry. I'm actually really sad this walk is almost over. I had no idea so much of that old construction was still around and in really good condition. It was fun to see that. That's the end of the video. Thanks for coming along with me on this one. I had a really good time on this walk. I had no idea what we were gonna see. It was really awesome seeing all the old construction still standing, checking that out. A lot of history of the towpath and the canal. I also could not have picked a better day to go for a walk. This day is awesome. If your experience is different than mine, I hope it's even better. Thanks again for watching.